In our last video about the United Health CEO getting assassinated, everybody's asking about jury nullification. So this is how that process works.
And why it probably wouldn't work here, at least not in the way that you might think.
So jury nullification sounds like it's shrouded in spooky legal mystery, but in reality it's just a natural consequence of how our legal system is set up. The Constitution guarantees a right to jury trial in criminal cases, and the law never lets you second guess or scrutinize a not guilty verdict.
Put those two things together and even an incredibly guilty person could be let off the hook by a jury just deciding not to find them guilty.
To be clear, if a jury finds someone not guilty, then bam, that's it. Case closed, no further inquiries into that decision.
Here's the catch though. Just like guilty verdicts, not guilty verdicts must be unanimous. In New York, that means all 12 jurors must go against the actual evidence and decide to find the person not guilty.
That's not easy. No, not even in this case where the internet seems to have very, very, very strong opinions.
It's not easy because the prosecutor would try to use the jury selection process to weed out jurors who have a bias. Here, that'd be a lot of people. Anyone who had a health insurance claim denied, anyone in the medical field, anyone with a chronic illness. The prosecutor's goal would be to assemble a jury basically full of business people sympathetic to the CEO.
However, and this is where it gets tricky, if just one of those jurors decides to nullify and vote not guilty, that would be a hung jury, which means a mistrial. This is not the same as a not guilty verdict. It just means a do-over and the prosecutor gets to try again with the new jury.
Theoretically, this process could happen over and over again with just one juror going rogue each time. Until at some point, say after 47 new trials, the prosecutor decides to just give up or offers a plea bargain for a lower charge. But that scenario has never actually happened before.